Lesson 1. Types of chemicals for cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. Kitchen is the place where food preparation, food storage and clean-up stations can be found. It is where kitchen tools and equipment are being placed that needs proper care and maintenance. Every individual should follow the proper cleaning and use of sanitizing chemicals to ensure that kitchen tools and equipment will be properly cleaned and maintained. It should always be the priority of the owner-manager of a particular establishment to maintain the cleanliness of the kitchen tools and equipment. Cleaning is a process of removing soil and preventing accumulation of food residues to the plates, glasses, and other kitchen tools and equipment. It is done with a cleaning agent that removes food, remaining foods or other substances. The right cleaning agents must be selected because not all cleaning agents can be used on food contact surfaces. Cleaning agents are substances, usually liquids, powders, sprays, or granules used to remove dirt, including dust, stains, bad smells, and clutter on surfaces. Here are the 4 categories of cleaning agents. 1. Detergents. These are cleaning agents used to wash tableware surfaces and equipment. Examples: soap, soap powders, cleaners. 2. Solvent cleaners. It is commonly referred as agent that remove grease from surfaces. Oven and grills are examples of areas that need frequent degreasing. These products are alkaline-based and are formulated to dissolve grease. 3. Acid cleaners. It is used in removing mineral deposits and other soils that detergents cannot eliminate. For our convenience in cleaning the different surfaces at home, we used to buy acid cleaners. But consider the harmful effect, and it is your duty to choose the right one which will suit to your needs. Various types of acid cleaners. 1. Phosphoric acid. Slightly weaker and is useful for cleaning concrete, porcelain and ceramic surface. It is harmful for your limestone, marble and granite surface. 2. Oxalic acid. It works as a rust remover. It also removes blemishes from vinyl, stone and linoleum surfaces. 3. Sulfamic acid. For ceramic and metal cleaning purpose. It can remove dried cement from masonry and concrete. 4. Muriatic acid. It used with caution because this is very corrosive that can cause damage. It can be used in cleaning the floors and walls of the swimming pool and toilets. 4. Abrasives. It is used to remove heavy accumulations of soil that are difficult to remove with detergents, solvents and acids. These products must be carefully used to avoid damage to the surface being cleaned. They are mechanical cleaners or materials that wear off dirt, stain and tarnish by rubbing. They are composed of either particles or physical abrasives such as sandpaper, steel wool and scrubbing pads. Finer particles are less abrasive. Coarser particles are more abrasive. Baking soda and salt can be used as abrasives. 4 types of abrasive cleaners. 1. Dry abrasives. Powdered cleansers. A powdered cleanser that has a cleaning and polishing action because of the fine particles of calcite, feldspar, quartz and silica. It also contains a small amount of surfactants for removing oily soils. Surfactants comes from the word surface active agent. 2. Wet abrasives. Liquid cleaners. It contains more surfactants and softer abrasives than powdered cleansers. 3. Abrasive tools. Scouring pads, steel wool pad, and sponges are commonly used as abrasive tools. 4. Disinfecting abrasives. Some abrasive cleaners contain antimicrobial chemicals and used to disinfect surfaces. Cleaning agents must be properly used. Make it sure to follow the manufacturer's instruction for effective result and to avoid misuse.